Just been to Rick's house and I picked up this crap, and I've got like a freeloader on the top of the couch, on the top of the sofa, so I've just bought it, and it doesn't look in too good condition. You know, I've just pulled up here, just having a drink with Rick, and I don't. Is it some kind of pigeon? It looks a bit, you know. Maybe it's just got wet. It looks very old, doesn't it? What bird is that? Well, this is the first time. Look, it's got its funny beak as well. I don't know. Look at this way. Take a picture of it from this side. I'm making a video, Rick. Oh. Isn't that?
Not too close. You don't want to freak it. You've got a lot of time.
Now what this camera is about, I'm like St. Francis. I'm like St. Francis of Assisi. He must be tired, I guess. Right. Now, if that had a shit on Rick's head, that would have been a video. Rick, I just said if it had a shit on your head, it'd been a good video.
No, thanks.
Anyway, thanks, Mr. Pigeon. It was very nice of you to participate in my video. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Actually, I have a thought it's probably a female.